I made a video a few weeks ago in which I explained the Honda CRV secret storage space for the cargo tray. And I explained that you can store the cargo tray under the back floor when the floor is in the upper position to make the floor flat. But I said in that video that instead of storing the cargo tray, I was going to instead use it to store things on my latest trip. Well, I'm out on the road and I've reached one of my destinations, and I did store a bunch of stuff under here, so I'm going to show it to you now how I stored it. So basically I got my bed here, and everything's under this floor. So the way I do it is I have to clear this area out here, but I reach under here and I grab the little nylon or whatever it is tab here, and I lift up the floor like this. And so you can see everything I have stored down there. One of my activities I do is water skiing, and so this is all of my water ski equipment. And so what I do is I hold it up with one hand, and then I grab this is actually a piece of a closet pole. And what I do is I put it here, actually put it on this side, and then I prop up the floor like that. And so now, and I can leave my bed up here and the carpeting, but I have the floor propped up, so now I can get the stuff out that I need. And so basically I just put things down here that I don't use quite as often, and right now I'm going to do some water skiing today, so I need to get a lot of this stuff out. And of course it's summertime. I've got my ice scraper over there. Don't need that in the summer, so I keep that down here. And then below there is the spare tire and my jumper cables and that kind of stuff. But I was amazed how much stuff I could fit down here. This is my vest for water skiing, so take that out. And then my gloves, I'll need those today. And then my handle, take that out and have that. And then the thing that amazed me the most is that's my trick ski upside down. I couldn't believe that it fit down here. So the boot is actually down in the spare tire in there, and this trick ski is 42 inches long, and it just fit perfectly upside down in here. So I'll need that. So take that out. And so yeah, this is flexible and was squeezed down enough so that it could fit. And then the other thing I need is my liner for my slalom ski. Slalom ski wouldn't fit. That's 65 inches, so there's no way that's going to fit down here. But I was amazed how much stuff I could get down here. I've got wetsuits over there. I'm not going to need those. It's still warm enough. And some spare, my old gloves, and this rope. I don't need that where I'm at today. So anyway, that's the storage space that I utilize. I just couldn't believe how much stuff I could cram down there. So this is sort of a follow-up to that video. Let's put my scraper down there. And so to close it, it's kind of hard because I'm holding the camera. But then I just prop it up with one arm and pull out the floor holder, and then grab the tab on top of the floor. And so you can see I'm holding it. Now you have to make sure the floor doesn't slip off of that ledge up front. Now I just drop it down, and the floor is back. And so that's it. I had all that stuff down there, and there's even more stuff down there. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video to show how I used it for storing things while I was on the road. I've been out on the road a couple weeks now, having a lot of fun. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please press the like button. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.